Riri mitaratara itiganite ithiite na mbere na kurugurio mathukuru-ini niguo kwagirithia mathomo kuri arutwo. Thirikari nene ni gukorwo ikiruguria mathomo ma mitambo ya kiriu kuri arutani othe guothe bururi-ini. Akiaria monanio-ini ma mitambo ya kiriu mwena wa Mombasa, mwandiki mukaru ministry ya mohoro na ukinyanirio wa kiriu Sami Itemere ni ugite mihango ya gutigirira cukuru ciothe iri na thitima ni irathi na mbere niguo gukinyaniria mubango uyu.
Many public schools within very short time to enable the children or children in those schools be able to start using the devices, as this is and was one of the major flagship project of the Jubilee government.
Itemere ni ugite tafarire no iri mibango-ini ya thirikari cia matura gutigira cukuru ciothe ni ciathomithania itekugumiro ni mathina matiganite.
We've increased the number of ICT officers in all the 47 counties, and their job now is to work with the county ICT officers to ensure that the schools where the teachers still need to be retrained, now they have trainers within reach.
Girifotira Kameme TV, rito rako ni Mwihaki wa Kamau.